Open Start and type Device Manager. Expand Sound, Video and Game Controller. Right-click your audio device and select Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for driver. You can also click on Search for Windows Update. If that didn't work, right-click your audio device and select Update Driver. Click on Browse My Computer for driver. Select Let me pick from a list of available driver on my computer. Select High Definition Audio Device. Press Next. Now close the windows and restart. If that didn't work, open Start and type Troubleshoot. Click on Additional Troubleshoot. Click on Playing Audio. Click on Run the Troubleshoot. Wait for your audio to be repaired. If that didn't work, right-click your audio device and select Uninstall Device. Now restart and your problem should be fixed.